Have you ever heard of a love so strong that nothing, not family, not money, not fear, could ever break it? This is not just a story. It is a journey of two hearts that refuse to let go. A journey that begins with sadness but ends with eternal love. Once upon a time, in a small and quiet village, there lived a poor young man named Daniel. He owned nothing but his strong hands and a kind heart. Every morning, before the sun rose, he worked in the fields. Every evening, he walked home tired, but always dreaming of a better life. One day, while passing by the river, Daniel saw a girl sitting alone. Her name was Clara. She was the daughter of the richest merchant in the village. But that day, she did not look rich or happy. Her eyes were filled with tears. Daniel sat near her and spoke gently. "Why are you sad?" he asked. At first, Clara said nothing, but slowly she opened her heart. She told him that money could not buy her happiness. She told him she felt lonely in her big house. From that day, they met by the river again and again. He shared his simple dreams. She shared her hidden pain. And slowly, their hearts came together. Love grew silently, like a flower blooming in the dark. But love is never easy. When Clara's father discovered their secret, he became furious. "How dare you?" he shouted at Daniel. "You are nothing but a poor farmer. You cannot love my daughter." Clara cried, but Daniel held her hands tightly. "Our love is eternal," he whispered. "No one can break it, not even your father." That night, Clara's father locked her inside the house. He planned to marry her to a rich man she did not love. Daniel waited by the river, but Clara did not come. The moon rose high. Hours passed. Still, he waited. At dawn, Clara escaped. She ran through the fields with her heart pounding. Finally, she saw Daniel waiting for her, just as he promised. "Clara," Daniel said, "I will never let you go." "Then take me with you," she replied. "I would rather be poor with you than rich without you." Together, they left the village. They had nothing, no money, no land, no comfort, but they had love, and love was enough. Years passed. They built a small home with their own hands. They worked side by side. They laughed together, cried together, and faced every hardship together. People in the village often spoke about them. They had nothing, they said, but they found happiness. That is the power of true love. And so, Daniel and Clara proved one thing. True love is eternal. It is not about money or beauty. It is about two hearts that never stop choosing each other. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more English stories.